Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something a little good. I am feeling good. I feel good. Ta-da. Today's video is a Too Faced review. Today's video is one of my favorite videos of them all. I'm going to review the new Aina, Aina, Aina came out with a collaboration with Too Faced. I know some of y'all tired with collaboration because I've been reading some people's comment on these other people's videos. I'm tired of this collaboration. Oh well, okay. Oh well, we don't care. We don't care. Oh well. We need these collaborations so companies can know what's good, what's up. Miley was good. We need that type of collaboration to be happening, okay? We don't care about what you think. But anyway, Aina came out with a collaboration with Too Faced. She came out with different type of shades for us dark-skinned girls, for us melanin, for us who, you know, we can't find foundation when we go to the store. And I am really excited. If you don't know who Aina is, tu fais quoi avec ta vie, hein? Tu fais quoi avec ta vie? Ozo sala nini, huh? What is your life? What are you doing with your life? Aina, I'm going to give you an intro, okay, a BET intro for Aina. Aina is a well-known YouTuber here on YouTube, and she is well known for her honest reviews. She stands big for her women of color, okay? For people like me, quelqu'un comme moi, hein? And one thing I do admire about Jackie is she doesn't give up. We can't cuss. She don't give a flying flunk, okay? Fluck. She doesn't care. Flunk. She doesn't care what you think about her opinion. She gonna tell you how it is, when it needs to be said, at the time that it needs to be said. And I love that about her. And I am really excited to test these foundation out. So if you are new to my page, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Hein? Faut pas oublier, hein? Don't be disrespectful. Faut pas me laisser tomber comme ça. Have some respect and don't just watch this. And subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell, okay? Be part of the family, baby. We on the winning squad right now. Be part of the family, baby. Huh? Okay. I'll see y'all at the other end. The good side. After you subscribe. Auntie Jackie, oh, Auntie Jackie, oh, tu as fait quelque chose que je voulais que tu fasses depuis longtemps, Auntie Jackie, huh? Auntie Jackie came out with the foundation. Well, she didn't come out with it. She collaborated. So today I am excited to try out this foundation right here. Oh. Today's foundation I'm going to be trying out Tiramisu by Aina's collaboration with Too Faced. I've tried Too Faced before and I didn't like it. I'll be honest with you. When I first tried it out, it made me look orange because the colors with Too Faced does oxidize. And I'm like in between shade. I'm like a mid-tone and like a little bit of, you know, a little bit of a métis, huh? But we in between, okay? We that nice milk chocolatey type of mixed tone. So when Aina announced that she was collaborating with Too Faced and she came out with these shades, I said, you know what? Ooh, my nails were not done. We'll be right back. So we're back with my nails done. Okay. So I did a video about the Too Faced foundation before, but I found out that it wasn't the shade that Aunt Jackie came out with. So I had to take down that video because we're not about the fake stuff, okay? We're not about the fake stuff. Sephora where I live didn't have the Aina. They only came out with 2 shades. I said, how is people supposed to buy these things if y'all just gonna put out 2 shades? Like 2 shades went out like this. I called them the next day. I was like, y'all gonna come out with more shades? Oh no, we don't get trucked. You know what? If you work at Sephora, I'm not gonna be disrespectful. So I ordered the foundation off of the website of Sephora. I didn't want to order off of Too Faced. I said toothpaste. I don't know why I said toothpaste. But I didn't want to order off of Too Faced because I know if I didn't like it, I want my money back on site, okay? I'm not about to go to the post office and no. I'm going to drive up to where I bought it on the website, the store, and get my money on site. So that's why I ordered off of Sephora. So today, I'm really excited that Auntie Jackie came out with these colors. The first color that I tried when I did this video was Coca. I think it was Coca. And Coca was too red for me. One thing I did notice about Too Faced foundation was it oxidized during the day and didn't really have my shade the first time I tried Too Faced, and it was kind of like a hit and miss with Too Faced. So today I'm really excited when Aunt Jackie comes out with stuff, huh? When Aunt Jackie say okay, that means okay. Okay, that's what it means. That means elle est en train de dire la vérité, okay? So my face was kind of crazy because I already primed it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out because I feel like I'm talking too much. Tu parles beaucoup, hein? Tu parles beaucoup. But I am going to say this. If you do watch reviews and you want to check out this product, I highly recommend you to get a sample, okay? Don't go just because somebody said it's cool, bet, and you go and waste your money and then you use it. You're like, who said no? Don't do that. Faut pas faire ça, oh. Faut pas faire ça. L'argent, c'est vraiment très... Français aussi, tu parles pas bien. Pourquoi n'ingala? Okay. Kosomba ki bisomba somba te, hein? Kosomba bisomba somba te, hein? Anyway, don't just go buy just to buy, is what I was trying to say. I got the color Tiramisu. I read the foundation reviews. I watched reviews. So with the foundation, it's supposed to be oil-free, medium to full coverage, long wearing for 12 hours. Which for me, I don't think for the summertime, 12 hours is not enough. Okay. We need to go like 34 hours because I get super oily in my T-zone for the summertime. That's why I don't wear makeup for the summer. I don't like to wear makeup for the summer. What I like to do for the summer is I like to hydrate my skin and keep it flawless. In case you take me on a date, then we can talk. Then until then, it ain't happening. And it's supposed to be photo-friendly finish, which is no flashback. Okay, we're gonna test that out too. Some people said that it didn't feel like you had foundation on your skin. What I like to do with my foundation, because there's some days where I don't like to use my sponge. By that I mean like when I sit down to do my makeup to go to class or to go to work or just to go out, like when I sit down, once I sit down to do my makeup and then I realize that my sponge is not, my sponge, by sponge I mean my beauty blender is not wet, I get lazy. I don't want to get back up. And I try to find whatever's close to me to blend my foundation with. So what I'm going to do is, for me to know if this foundation is for me or not, I'm going to use one side, I'm going to use it with the brush, and the other side I'm going to use it with the sponge. And we're going to see how well this foundation blends with a sponge and also how well it blends with a brush. Because I get lazy, yo. Huh? Être paresseux, c'est pas bien. Okay, with the 35 shades, my shade was Tiramisu. So we're gonna get this thing right here going. I'm so excited. Jackie, oh, Jackie, oh. So I'm gonna squirt this out right here. Ooh, I like the application. So this is how the Tiramisu color looks like, which is really neutral. I like it because it's not too red, not too dark. It's just right for me. So I'm gonna, ooh, ciao. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply right here. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. It's a little bit red once I look at it on my actual skin. It has a little bit of a red tone to it, which is fine because the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice, right? I am kind of dark this summer. Ooh. Ooh, oh my God. Child, oh my, ooh. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Did you guys see how full coverage, like just one little dab and my imperfection just went away? Hold on. All my wrongs that I did for the summer just went away. Oh my God. Ooh. Check this out right here. You guys see, these are my scars. Usually I like to color correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn before I use a foundation. And I haven't color corrected. I'm not going to color correct. I want to see how full coverage this foundation is. And from the looks of it, oh my, tu blagues, huh? Tu es en train de blaguer. Auntie Jackie, hold on. Oh my, this is full coverage, dog. Ti vlog, we don't do the vlog game. And it feels like I don't have any foundation on. Usually when I wear a cream foundation, I can feel it. And I can't feel it. And it's not as sticky as regular foundation where you feel it. Like when I wear Kat Von D, I could feel the stickiness. Or if I wear any type of foundation, I could feel the stickiness. Oh my God, this is really full coverage. Like I can't even, This is actually the first foundation that says it does what it says it does. That does what it says, but it says what it does, what it says, what it does. You feel me? Like this is the type of foundation. It said it's full coverage. I didn't even have to apply a lot for it to be full coverage. As y'all can tell. Vous-même vous entendez, regardez. Regarde ça. Beau bien bien. Look, 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 look. What? Jacket. Wow. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see this. Future husband, if you watching this, how I look? I look like your wife. I better not look like your cousin. I better look like your wife, because this is making me look like a wife. Now we're going to try the left side. And with the left side, I'm going to use my foundation brush from Randy Planet. And we're going to see how well this blends with the brush. Normally there's some foundation that doesn't blend well with brushes. Wow. Oh. Oh, ça c'est pas vrai. What a fucking donkey. This is not vrai ça. Ça c'est pas vrai. Attendez-moi. Hein? Jacket. Huh? Why did it take you so long, Jackie? Jackie, come on, Jackie. Why did it take you so long to do something like this? Huh? You need your own makeup line. You don't need Too Faced. Give me life. And it dries up really fast. I'm not gonna lie. You gotta blend with your neck too. Some people like to walk out the house and they don't even dry their foundation down here. Baby, if that's you, what you doing with your life? Hein? Tu fais quoi avec ta vie? Huh? Don't be disrespectful. Start dragging your foundation to your neck, okay? This side was with my brush and this side was with the beauty blender. Right now, I feel like the foundation blends really well with the beauty blender. I mean, that's just me. But as far as the color, I see it a little bit red. But because it's summertime, we got a little darker. Yes, we did. We sure did get a little darker. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But yeah, I like the foundation. It's not, I don't really feel the stickiness on my face, which I like, because when I wear a cream foundation, I can feel the stickiness right away, and I feel like I'm wearing a mask, which is why I don't like to build up my foundation, because then I feel like this all day. You know, I feel like I'm gonna scrape it off. And this foundation is really weightless, and I like it. It reminds me of the Fancy Beauty foundation, but right now we're not gonna speak too soon because I have to do a wear test. Okay, I want to see how long this foundation lasts me, especially during the summer, which I already know there's no foundation compared to Fancy that's going to at least keep up with me in my oily face for the summer. So, oh, and there's no crease line. Ooh, that's important too. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. So I'm gonna come back at the end of the video and I'm gonna show you guys how well the foundation set on my face and if I will see any oils. I won't be surprised if I get super oily because there's no such thing as a perfect foundation for oily skin during the summer. So I'm not really gonna keep it at a high hope. But I am gonna come back. Man, no, I'm talking too much. Ooh, it is hot outside, y'all. The humidity is real. But as far as this foundation, I've noticed that the foundation oxidize. And I get oily most of the time around my T-zone. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. This area right here, that's where the oil hits me the most. But as far as like the foundation itself, I don't find it bad at all. Like, everyone's skin is different, but for me, I don't find it bad at all. When it oxidizes, it makes you look a little bit chocolatey. This name right here, this color for me, it oxidized and it makes me look a little bit chocolatey. Okay, I look a little bit too chocolatey. I like the foundation. It's not bad at all. It does feel like you don't have any foundation on at all. Like, it feels like I don't have any foundation on at all. When I say my skin feels not as heavy, it feels great. But I feel like it doesn't feel like I have no foundation on because I didn't like build it up. I feel like if you build up a foundation, that's when you start feeling that cakiness. This side I did use a brush. Everyone's review is different, Some people like the foundation, some people don't like the foundation, but you have to be the one that determines whether you like it or not. I highly recommend you guys to give a samples tries, okay? Samples should be your best friend. What I like to do is after I watch a review, I'll go to Sephora. That's where, you know, the nice people are at compared to MAC. I'll go to Sephora and I'll pick out the foundations reviews that I've watched, and I'll get the samples for those foundation. I'll come home and I'll wear the foundation on my face, and I'll sit around just to see how well the foundation holds up to my face as far as like oils, or if the foundation oxidized during the day. As of right now, I'll say, Auntie Jackie, you did your thing, okay? You did what you could do, okay? You did everything that you could possibly do to help us out. But some of us, we ungrateful, and some of us, it's not that we ungrateful. Some of us, we just don't know any better. And for me, this foundation, I'm gonna have to return it because I need my money back, okay? I need my money back. I went through dripping, and I'm gonna go back and pick up everything that I dripped. This foundation is a good, I'll give it a 7. But for the summer, it's not my type of foundation to wear for the summer. If you like this review, make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave. If you're gonna leave a rude comment, I'ma still read them. But thank you very much. And Jackie, give me a high five, girl. Yes, girl. You came through, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Thank you, guys. I am out. Where's my receipt at? I need my receipt. And I need to pay my phone bill with that money, too.